Alright YouTube, this is part 4 of the video installing the new Classic. The Classic is going to be sitting on the other side running side by side with the other one that was already there, the previous one. So this one is going to be installed, brand new Classic, MidNite Classic. It's going to be sitting up there, and I'm going to be moving the array. The 12 Kyocera's, they're gonna be hooked up into this ones, which is gonna be 990 watts of panels gonna be sitting there. It's very close to a kilowatt. So they were the one gonna be charging the other 6 batteries, the upper batteries, while the other Classic that's running right now is gonna be charging the bottom batteries, which gonna be 1,920 1.920 kilowatt of panels. Them are the ones gonna be charged by these batteries here. Okay, so we're gonna be doing some adjustments, increments, because these ones down here, them are the one doing the laundering, the washing, the laundering, and the drying, and the TVs and all the other good stuff from the secondary living room. There's a family room, and it's going to be running the air conditioner in summertime, which these batteries we can able to extend. The one reason for doing this, because we're going to put the house, separate the house so that the house can have run independently. So in case we don't have much power on those lower batteries for all the other stuff, because those batteries are running the furnace as well. Let me show you the furnace here. But before going there, the Classic right there is the one that's going to be running with those 6 batteries down there, which is with 1.92 kilowatt of solar array. And these ones here are going to just run the living room, microwave, lights there, the rooms, all the outlets. And it's going to be running here with a 990 watt of solar array, which are the Kyocera's, and they're going to be having another charge controller going to be sitting up there with the MidNite Classic, and they're going to be running on this one, sorry, with this one. You can see all the specs there. These are the stuff that runs on the other side of the house. Okay, that PIP runs those items that are already there. These are all the stuff itemized running on the system. And this one here, but this paper is going to be flipped, because this was 990 watt, which are coming in the those are the PCM charge, the inbuilt charge controller. So we're going to take them off from the inbuilt charge controller, and we're going to put it to the Classic, another Classic sitting up there. So that makes it clear. This 990 is going to go into that Classic, and this one's going to be the inverter. This is not going to be the inverter for that though. The inverter is going to be for this. That's going to go upstairs for the house. And this one is going to be running, see that number? Forget about this one. See that this number right here? This number right here is going to be coming to this, which is that Classic right here. Okay, it's gonna be, this number is gonna be running on this inverter right here. So Stevie just have to flip-flop the papers, the documentation had there. So this is the one gonna be running all the heavy duty. See what is running there? I'm not making up the story, the thing. You can see all garage lights and all outlets and garage furnace, freezer, back outlet in the entry room, on the north hallway, and back outlet in the laundry. So this one runs all the laundry. See that? And this one runs all this stuff right here. And let me show you the furnace that it runs. Well, this is the furnace that is running to keep the garage warm, and they normally crack the door a little bit so that the heat can drift all the way inside the house. And you have this arcade machine right here that runs through the solar, that runs through the inverter as well. It's like a drive-in, a race car, whatever, you know. And these are all the stuff that runs in the kitchen, in the garage here. A little fridge, and you got this sort of cool stuff, you know, like a vending machine. You got this big freezer back there, and you got all these TV. They can play games here, and opens the garage opener, and all these lights run on this this PIP right here. Okay, let me take you to the laundry so you can see the machines. So here goes the laundry area. So did you hear that? Did you hear that? Oh my God, he's coming. The rock star. That's the sound of the rock star. CVB. So this is the laundry right here, and these are the machines that those PIPs are taking care of. One of the PIPs are running this, so we cannot run them all at the same time simultaneously. So if the house, this one can run, the lights on, and the whatever, the TVs and all that stuff are working, and the other PIP is taking care of like microwave and all that stuff, the other upper house, and the fridge. This is for the one that runs in the garage. And let me take you and show you the other freezer here. So this is the family size fridge filled up with all stuff, and see, the home of the Vikings. Ha ha ha. Go Vikings. And you see, that's the freezer. It's kind of cool. See that? Yeah. So, and this is the fridge. So you can just see that it runs. Everything runs. So the microwave get plugged. Any of the outlets with the black runs on solar. All those. All that. See? Not this guy though. These guys, they don't use that stove, you know, because they like to grill, they cook on the stove. You can see the back of the refrigerator right there is a black outlet as well, and it runs the entire room here with all the router. You see that? It runs the router. It runs another part here in the house, another big television. This is another living room, so you guys can see. Take a look. There we go. Swinging that tail. Woohoo! This is the other side of the house, that the family room, and this is where Stevie normally watch the games and all that stuff. And this is run by the same garage, the other PIP that I'm gonna be upgrading. This is the home for Solar Cat. That's you got some upstairs right here. Solar Cat, that's where he sleeps with the other cat. So let me take you outside and show you the panels I was talking about. All right, folks, it's windy outside, so you see the panels over there, right there. That's my finger, right over there. Them are the ones gonna be going to one of the controller, one of the new Classic, and this one here is gonna stay on the other Classic. These are the ones with the 1920. 1.920 kilowatts, and that's going to be 990 kilosieverts. So them are the ones going to be running two controllers, and I hope you guys can understand why I'm doing the change. I don't want you guys to get confused. Why is the upgrade? The tree is already chopped down. Stevie has done a good job here with Shannon and all the helpers. Look at the weather, crazy. But hey, we're making power. That's how I'm gonna wrap up all this stuff so that you guys can be able to see how the other new controller is working, the Classic. And look at all the banks of snow. Look at that craziness. Look at that. See, southern part of the city. Look at the snow. And Stevie B always just slide up there. He got like his skis, and to clean the panels, he jump up there with his skis and slide all the way down here and drop there. Bang! That's how Stevie B, the rock star. All right, Stevie, I'm just joking. All right, take you back inside and finish up my work. And Classic is gonna go up pretty soon. Stay tuned. And this is the system, and that's the all round down I already gave you. all the living rooms and all the washing and coming out on this hybrid, and while the other one here is doing the other stuff, whatever. So this is a clear representation of the station and the house, and this is really cool. And if you haven't got into solar, I'll encourage you to do that, because solar is fun. Stand by for the Classic to be up. Alright folks, I'm trying to open up the Classic here for the install, and you're gonna see it on the next episode of install. I'm doing a video series of everything as I go. That takes a lot of time, but anyway, I want you guys to be with me here, and so that you guys can have a clear understanding. So trying to limit more questions, because I do answer questions, but the thing is sometimes I'm busy with other work, so it's really hard for me just to answer all you guys' concerns. That's the inside of the Classic. Alright, that's the new one. So it's coming up, and stay tuned as I put it up. Alright, jwsolarusa, thanks for watching. The Classic, the second Classic. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye.